How to lift Grasshopper Mower Decks. Grasshopper mowers are designed to be comfortable and easy to use. With a versatile steering mechanism and a center riding design, they are made for all types of lawns. However, the blades and undercarriage of the mower deck still require routine maintenance. This is virtually impossible to perform if the deck is not raised. On newer models, the mower deck raises automatically with the smallest amount of effort. Park the mower in an area where there is clearance over and around the mower deck, on all sides a flat area in the center of the lawn, for example, or a driveway. Locate the mower deck raising panel, which is on the left side of the mower if you are facing the same direction as the mower deck. There are two switches, one to raise the deck and the one to fold it up for storage. Press the switch down to engage the deck raising option and then pull the switch toward you in the direction indicated on the panel to raise the deck. An arrow points towards the side marked raise. Press the switch until the deck is at the height you desire.